Hi, I'm Greg from RVHaulers. You'll notice there's no RVHaulers shirt, no RVHaulers hat. We're on holidays. If you'd like to see an RV hauler in action and ultimately see where it's taking Carrie and I on our holidays this year, join me in this video. Of driving ahead of Carrie and myself here. We'll be doing lots of tag team driving to make sure we get this done our plan is to get it done in a day and a half. Now, our destination is Telegraph Cove, which is at the almost the tip of Vancouver Island on the Pacific coast. Telegraph Cove is a very tiny little marina and a campground. Depending upon who you talk to, the population of Telegraph Cove is either 4 or 7, depending upon who's there. We've got our last handful of miles into Telegraph Cove. This is a really old logging road they just kind of slapped some asphalt on top of. We've even got some 12% grades coming in and out of here, and it's an active logging road still, so we have to be really careful of the logging trucks coming our way. You really have to crawl along and avoid the big holes here. You can't tell from the camera, but this is some steep up and down hill stuff. And the road gets destroyed by the logging trucks. And I always say you almost have to take your half in the middle because the shoulders are so soft and broken up. But we'll get there. Here's a 13%. Truck's gear down. I got my engine braking on to the max. All right, here we go downhill. We're gonna put her down into good job, Shadow. 20 miles an hour. Look at that. Oh, I gotta turn up engine braking a little more. We're even in. There we go, it's slowing us down. Good job, Shadow. Love it. We're at the bottom. Only a couple more. Another 12% down. And the last little bit turns into essentially a one lane. They do have an orange line down the middle, but you gotta be careful of oncoming traffic around these corners. coming. We're off the road on that side. We're just gonna go down the middle. I got somebody behind me. I really don't want them to pass me on this last steep bit. Welcome to Telegraph Cove. Let's set up Belvedere, set up our home, and let's go get our other family member, Big Shrimp. All right, we've made it. Welcome to Telegraph Cove. Let's get our home for the next 5 weeks set up and go get Big Shrimp. Wait for me! Take me!
Foggy, foggy, a little more foggy. We have radar, and we have heat.
I'm gonna cut plug. Now we wait and drink coffee.
It knows it's hooked. Like it's dead weight right now. Oh, there it is. What is it? on last night.
Yeah. Oh. Pretty big. Here you go, BB.
That was a slapper. He's gone. What do we have? What do we have? That's a chungus coho. Is that a coho?
I think so.
That's a big coho.
We've been catching some of those big cohos this last couple days. Nice fishing, Evan.
Oh. Well, he's gone.
He's gone.
He's gone. Well, get him.
I think it was a coho.
Oh, don't drop your boat, man. Boat. Better. You know, if those buoy holders weren't there, you could totally just slide that sucker right through. He's bending it at the handle.
I did this the wrong way. This is sucker tighten.
150 feet to go.
Where did he go down to? He just took probably 50 feet, eh? More?
We just lost 50 feet. 75.
I think I need to turn up my drag for this.
We've never had one run this much.
Okay, I put on 2 more clicks of drag. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
About 25 feet.
Watch, it's gonna go back down to 200.
Okay guys, this is really shit.
Oh, yeah.
So don't.
We gotta measure him.
I know.
I think it's gonna be a keeper though.
Could be. Perfect.
Floppy fish! Floppy fish! Nice howie. They're all nice howies. That one's a nice howie too.
He's big. What do you got there?
I think there's a Hallie on this one too.
So we have a Hallie in the box.
Got a second big ling coming up.
Oh, that weight hit my Oh. Okay, he did the alligator twist on himself, eh?
Yeah.
Bonk him.
We have something else to do first.
Oh, he did not get unhooked. They're in his mouth. Floppy fish! There's a floppy fish right here too, man. Right there.
Yeah.
Wow, this is gonna be picturesque on the.
That's a pretty full fish box.
It is a full fish box.
That's crazy. I've never seen that. What do we got?
Got a fish.
Dad's got a fish on.
I think it's a spring.
That's a big guy. Wow. small.
Oh wow, what a fish.
That's a good one.